Getting lost is more than losing your sense of direction. Go out there and get lost doing something you love. Go out there and go for an adventure. Overall, go get lost.
Oh, we better run back closer to home. Is there a waterfall? Alright, sorry about the wind noise, but this is how we're going to start off video number 1. Garrett comes in with an absolute kicker. You see that scale. Look at this. Here he is. There she is. Pull her out of there. She's alive. She's kicking. Oh yeah, she's a lively girl. Oh yeah, hold on to her. Oh my, dude. Woo! Way to kick it off. What a trip. Let's get a release. I don't have a GoPro, but... Oh, I do, but it doesn't have a battery and I'm not flustered. So just put her over the edge and... I'll get the best release I can. Let her go. Set her free. Oh my, look at that. Oh, nice fish. Sheesh. We docked the boat up here and we found a random sand dune, you know, and we're gonna go. And that's just a lake as big as you can see. He already caught the 4.5 pounder. Which is his PB, and it's literally 5 minutes of fishing. He's like done. He checked out for the weekend. I mean week. But man, this is like, we're gonna climb this. So yeah.
You just said man.
Alright, we have made it to the top. This video is everywhere, but dude, the view.
I should have brought my phone up here.
The view. I'm out of breath, but man. Garrett goes, I think it's a trail. I don't think so. Yeah. Hello, boy. Hello, boy. I probably look like dog doo-doo. Yeah, you're doo-doo. But it's day number 2, we're out here. I just got down to the boat. It's about, time check, about 7:30. We got a little bit of a wind coming in today, pretty hard. Gus, come here. Hey! Okay. Kept him out of the water for about 20 minutes, but now I'm gonna have to go in and get him. This is great. Gus, come here. Come here. Come here. He's eating the waves. Oh, this is fun. Okay. Anyway, he's going back out. Squirrel moment. We're gonna go fishing here and get the dog in the water, dog in the motorhome, and cover off the boat and everything. And he is just gone. But look at that sunrise. Might sit and watch that for a little bit. Then we're gonna go hopefully get some walleye and some pike. See you out there. We're gonna let him go just because we don't have any more. So let's GoPro over the side of the boat too. That's my first ever open water walleye, not including ice fishing. There we go.
That's awkward.
It is awkward.
We'll figure it out.
Yeah. Figuring it out?
Kinda. Yeah, there he goes.
Oh, there you go. Oh my God, what did you just do? Why is your pole so short?
Ice fishing.
You went ice fishing? I think I see the other half of your pole in the water. There's a 3-foot rollers and white caps out here. Holy cow. We're testing out the boat today. Look at this stuff. Move, dude. Oh, dude. Oh, we better run back closer to home. Oh. Well, after the last clip and all the water in the lens, sorry about that, but we found some Garrett's on a rope swing. Thing's sick. We found a rope swing. We found a rope swing. Garrett's on it. We're on this massive hill, and this is just a huge sand dune. Sweet. Alright, we lost a ton of GoPro footage. All of it. Erased. Plugged into my computer. Gone. So we have whatever's on this camera. That's gonna make up videos for day number 1 and 2. Days number 1 and 2. Days 3 and 4 are on their way. Get the boat hooked up. Motorhome right there. Coming down the road, getting ready to empty the old sewage tanks up there. This thing is a mess. Took on some huge waves. We're just gonna get rigged up and move to the next spot. Me and Garrett are ready to go. And yeah. Here they come right now to go dump. And then we're off.